Hey guys, Gretchen's Vegan Bakery here, and do I have a special video series for you? It is the 12 Days of Christmas Cookies. I decided to share with you my favorite Christmas cookie recipes. Some of them I've been making for over 20 years, and a couple of them are new ideas that I just added to the assortment. All veganized for everyone to enjoy, but not a single one lacking in amazing taste. The hardest part will be deciding which ones to make. From super simple to a bit more time consuming, these cookies will have your holidays sweeter than ever. So for the next 12 days, I will be adding another recipe to the list, so be sure to subscribe here to my channel and you won't miss a single one. Next on the list for day 7 of my Christmas cookie extravaganza, the classic candy cane cookie. Perhaps you have seen these before or even made them for yourself. My mom made these every year for Christmas up until just a few years ago when she hung up her rolling pin. So I took over the task. Now, I'm not gonna lie, these little cookies are quite the pain in the to get into that candy cane shape. But the good thing is this dough is really forgiving to work with, so after several misshapen candy canes, you will get the hang of it. But don't worry, I'm going to show you one of my old bakery tricks to help you along, so keep on watching. Alright, let's get right to it. For the dough, you will need vegan butter, sugar, plant milk, flour, baking powder, salt, and egg replacer. Now, some people use mint extract for these cookies, and you certainly can, but I prefer these cookies with almond extract. It's the way my mom always did it, so there, I'm using it. Just keep in mind that this is quite a plain cookie, so the taste really comes from whatever extract you are using, so don't be shy about it. Now go ahead and add those extracts to the plant milk and then sift the flour with the baking powder, salt, and egg replacer. Meanwhile, I've got my vegan butter and the sugar creaming to light and fluffy, and then I'm going to add only 3 tablespoons of that plant milk. Then the sifted dry ingredients goes next, and then last the remaining plant milk. Now, to divide this dough as evenly as possible into 2 parts. One part gets red food color and then the other one stays white. You will now take each portion of dough and roll it into a log that's like about 10 inches long. And this is a very soft dough, so extra flour is definitely going to help the process. Just be sure not to drown out that vibrant red with too much flour. So just keep brushing off the excess as you go. Then you're going to cut the logs into 32 pieces. Each of those pieces now gets rolled into logs that are about 3 to 4 inches long. Now, this is where it started to wear on my patience. You will find that this dough is really soft, so you do need extra flour for rolling. But the extra flour prevents it from rolling really nicely into the log shapes. So I had to implement an old bakery trick for when we would roll dinner rolls on the wood table. Sometimes the dough would just slide around a bit, and so we would smear some shortening onto the table to help it along. This keeps the dough from sliding, and it will help take shape faster. Not too much shortening though, just a small amount, and then a very light amount of flour on top of that. Then the dough will do exactly what you want. There you go, a hidden tip and trick from the good old bakery days. Alright, so now that you have all your little logs rolled out, it's time to form them into the candy cane shapes. I do find that a small dab of water will get the 2 logs to stick together, and then the rolling gets a lot easier. Just twist them together and then form them into candy cane shapes. Here's a close-up of that. They bake for just about 20 minutes, and then when they are cool, you can be done here, or a drizzle of white chocolate and a dip in nonpareil sprinkles will top it off. And that's it. Well, I'm not going to make this one sound so easy because honestly they do take some time and patience, but they really do make your holiday cookie platter pop. I love the vibrant color. Yes, I know food color is the devil, but they are really pretty and tasty too. And it's only once a year. I mean, it isn't Christmas without a hefty dose of red food color in your diet, am I right? All right. Well, I hope you guys are going to want to make these. Just head on over to Gretchen'sVeganBakery.com to grab the recipe. All the links to the sprinkles that I'm using and some vegan food colors as well. Everything is in the written blog post. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. And until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.